Outlet overload? Not anymore. Charge 9 devices and add a shelf. The ultimate power upgrade. Say goodbye to outlet chaos and hello to the ultimate power solution. The Mifaso Wall Outlet Extender is a 9-in-1 charging powerhouse that transforms your boring wall plug into a high-tech command center. With 6 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and a USB-C port, you can juice up phones, tablets, laptops, speakers, and more, all at once. No more unplugging one device to charge another. And thanks to its 490 joule surge protection, your expensive gadgets stay safe from sudden voltage spikes. This isn't just an outlet, it's an electricity revolution. Tired of messy countertops? The built-in wall shelf is a total game changer. It's perfect for holding your phone, toothbrush, speaker, or even that random gadget you always misplace. The anti-slip rubber mat ensures your items stay put, while the cable management system keeps cords neat and untangled. Whether in the kitchen, bathroom, dorm, or office, this space-saving genius keeps your area clutter-free and looking sleek. Bonus? The shelf is removable and can even be mounted upside down for extra versatility. Fast charging tech? You got it. The USB Smart IQ technology automatically detects devices and delivers optimal charging speeds, up to 2.4 ampere per USB-A port and 3 ampere via USB-C. This means your gadgets charge faster while avoiding overheating and overcharging. Whether you're topping up a phone, tablet, or smartwatch, this plug expander maximizes efficiency while protecting battery life. No need for bulky adapters, just plug in and watch the magic happen. Built to last and protect, the Mifaso Outlet Extender isn't just another flimsy power strip. It's fireproof up to 1,382 degrees Fahrenheit, or 750 degrees Celsius, surge protected, and impact resistant, making it one of the safest and most durable power solutions on the market. Unlike cheap alternatives, this solid, sturdy build means it won't wobble, crack, or overheat. And with the easy screw-in installation, it secures firmly to the wall, no slipping, no fuss. This is power, perfected. Why settle for an ordinary outlet when you can have a powerhouse? With multiple charging ports, built-in surge protection, a sturdy removable shelf, and premium safety features, the Mifaso Wall Outlet Extender is affordable, effective, and a total game-changer. Whether you need more power for your gadgets, a clutter-free space, or next-level surge protection, this is the upgrade your home deserves. Stop fighting over outlets, grab yours today and power up smarter.